Remember, principles of equality here, and in fact, this one's only a two-stepper, so I should only need two principles of equality to solve this one, okay? Now, remember, our objective is to isolate whatever the letter is, in this case, p's, right? So I got 2.4 p's, and it doesn't matter if there's a decimal. The principles of equality will stay the same. So it's that -6, stinking -6. I gotta get rid of it, and by get rid of, I mean zero it out, right? So add 6, but if I do it to one side, yeah, gotta do it to the other side. Okay? So, once again, my recommendation is to put that into the calculator. -8.7 plus 6.0 should give you -2.7 right there, okay? And then I'll drop my 2.4p, that's positive because of the plus sign. So I get 2.4p equals -2.7. Now, I'll divide both sides by 2.4. So a couple things, and I know I've covered this, but I just want to emphasize it more. Why am I dividing? It's because I want the coefficient to be a 1. Right now it's 2.4p in black. I don't want it to be 2.4p's, I want 1. How do I make a 1? With division. Anything divided by itself will be 1. And once again, I cross this out with a 1. It's not just crossing it out arbitrarily there, okay? So it's 1p. Again, this one right here, though, I'm going to make a phantom one. It's there, you just can't see it. And that's what makes phantom values kind of creepy. But in any case, I got -2.7 divided by 2.4. And when I put that in my calculator, it gives me, because we do want the decimal, by the way, -1.125. Okay, so I'm going to check. I'm just going to use the calculator to check this, right? So -6 plus 2.4, and we can type it all in at one time. -2.4 times -1.125, enter. Now when I push enter, or before I push enter, I should expect it to show -8.7. I did push enter, and it shows -8.7, which means that I now have a true statement, okay? And that means that this is the actual solution to our equation. So, here we go. Let's change this -2.7, because I'm doing it particularly this way because it's not that bad, but I'm going to move the decimals, both decimals once. Really what I did is multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. I scaled the fraction, which then makes this -27/24. And then that would be, it's simplifiable into -9/8. Or -1 1/8, or -1.125.